In this box, I have some dunks that a lot of people are not talking about. Hell, I didn't even care about winning them on stream.
We got the Paisley dunks, and I don't know how I feel about that.
Nevertheless, let's crack open this box and see what we got inside. Now, please forgive me for this janky looking setup. This is the first time I've ever done an unboxing video before. Now, what these are called are the pink Paisley dunks. And right now, market on them isn't looking amazing. Opening up the box here, as you see, they do come in just your standard Nike box. I got a size 10 women's, which is a 8.5 men's. So first time opening them up. See, they come in their regular packaging, and first impressions, honestly, not bad. I'm really liking that light pink on them, to be honest with you. I was expecting that pink to be a little darker, but that light pink vibe is pretty good. You know, basically your standard trash leather when it comes to Nike dunks, but that pink Paisley Nike swoosh honestly really complements this shoe pretty well. Now for my pair, I'm already seeing a few glue stains. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up. So quality control on these is not the greatest, but what can you expect from Nike? Taking apart both shoes right here. Honestly, really clean designs on it. I'm not mad about it. After taxes, these dunks ran me about $120. And in all honesty, I would say that this is a pretty good shoe to have. Really nice Valentine's Day vibes. And I got these almost a week before Valentine's Day at the time of this recording. As far as resale value goes, market right now is only looking around that 140 to 150 mark. But if you know what you're doing, these can easily sell for that 170 to 180. But if you're simply just looking to quick flip off StockX and go, you're really not going to do nothing but make your money back, maybe even lose some. So these are definitely great for local resellers, not that great for online resellers. I know dunk market right now is pretty shit, so I don't really see these especially going up for real. I do see these going up to around that $200 range, but that's probably about it. I don't see these getting any lower than what they are right now, which is good and or bad news. So if you really want these for the toe, you probably will be spending that $150 to $160 range if you was to buy them off the apps, maybe closer to 200. If I was you, I would try to go after some local people. You know, you might be able to find these on the streets for around that 180 range if you just have to have these shoes, but I definitely don't see these being a retail warrior type of shoe. It's honestly just way too clean them to just sit. Now these do not come in extended sizes, only up to a 10.5 men's, unfortunately. So if you are a big footed person like I am, we are not going to be able to fit our feet into these, unfortunately.
Please! No!
With that being said, that's all I have today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave it a like. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.